The Kolkata police is beating anyone, I believe. Even the ones who are not a part of this protest, maybe just going through that road. We are showing three visuals right now. Also a visual of Sukanta Majumdar marching as well. BJP now extending their support to this whole protest movement by the students. So Ishan, right now the BJP is also marching after this while. And these are live visuals also from different parts coming. And this is Babughat in Kolkata, where tear gas is also being fired. Where is Babughat exactly? I'll explain the viewers the location. Viewers from all parts of the country are watching this. Babughat is very close to Prinsep Ghat area in the Ganges. This is in the Kolkata side. If you cross that Babughat area and go ahead for a few kilometers, then we can reach Howrah. Now we see that even Sukanta Majumdar is walking. Ishan, we saw BJP was not actively taking part in this protest. 4 hours, the students and common people were marching and police atrocities, and now BJP has extended their support.
Exactly. So, Kishola, BJP RDR has also extended the support for this Nabarna Abhijan. They said that this will be conducted in the banner of the Chhatra Samaj. The students will coordinate this demonstration for today, but BJP will fully support this demonstration. But now when the students protest, the protest by the civil society, the common people, the police is cracking down like anything on that protest, then BJP has decided to take to the streets today. And after giving a call for a 12-hour Bangla Bandh, just half an hour back, after the press conference, now Sukanta Majumdar, the state BJP president, he is taking to the... in support of they are now taking to the streets in support of the students, the protesters who have been arrested already or detained, who have been taken.
With us right now is Mayuk also, the senior editor of Republic Bangla. Mayuk, now the BJP has extended their support, and right now we see that BJP is doing Lal Bazar Abhiyan. So apart from the Nabarna Abhijan, which is already happening, we see another one now.
Well, it's a shot coming in from Babughat right now in Kolkata. Now the BJP supporters have joined in. The BJP supporters are being stopped by Kolkata police. Kolkata police clearly in back foot. Kolkata police right now trying to distort the crowd. We can see visuals. People, many of them on one side we are seeing Sukanta Majumdar. He's marching towards the...
ये छात्र समाज नहीं है, ये छात्र समाज, ये छात्र समाज कोई पार्टी बीजेपी पार्टी सपोर्ट किया है इसको। आज सेकेंड सेमेस्टर के स्टूडेंट एग्जाम था, आज वो लोग एग्जाम देके बाहर निकल हुए थे, फिर वो लोग का आईडी कार्ड छीन लिया, उसका पहचान आइडेंटिफिकेशन छीन लिया, फिर मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी का कोई नाकाम पहन के वो लोग का नाकाम के ऊपर वो लोग पत्थर मार रहे हैं। इतना कम्युनल एक्टिविटी क्यों हो रहा है? ये तो पहले नहीं था बंगाल में, क्यों हो रहा है? जो आज लोग आंदोलन के नाम पे जाने के वो पत्थर मार रहे थे।
जो प्रोटेस्टर्स थे वो लोग रोड पे थे, वो लोग आपके कॉलेज में क्यों
शायद हम लोग सीएम का फैन है, शायद हम लोग झंडा लगा हुआ है, सीएम का फैन है, हम लोग का फ्लैग लगा हुआ था, शायद इसीलिए हम लोग के कॉलेज के ऊपर अटैक हुआ।
आपके कॉलेज में कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं था?
सिक्योरिटी था, इसीलिए चला गया। ये अंदर में चला गया, इधर मुझीपाड़ा थाना का उसी को भी लगा, ट्रैफिक उसी को भी लगा। आपके पास कॉलेज से अंदर से आके जो पानी दिए वो लोग को।
आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है?
मुन्ना जाकिर बोल रहा हूँ, सुरेंद्रनाथ कॉलेज।
कौन सी ईयर में पढ़ते हैं आप?
हम BA जर्नलिज्म ऑनर्स।
कौन सी ईयर?
Marching ahead towards Lal Bazar, that is the headquarters of Kolkata Police. Police has already detained and arrested many protesters with a demand to release all of them, those who have been detained or those who have been arrested, with a demand to release all of them. Now Shukanto Majumdar and all other BJP leaders are marching ahead towards Lal Bazar. So one protest march is going on at Mahatma Gandhi Road, Kishaloi, where the crowd size is becoming even bigger every moment. That is a challenge for the police. From another side, at the Hastings intersection, people are trying to cross over through the second Hooghly Bridge. So at Hastings, there is huge police deployment and police barricading. In the Howrah side, from Shatragachi area and other areas of Howrah, women and children and students and other protesters, they are trying to march ahead towards Nabanno, and one rally reached within 50-meter radius of Nabanno. So there is another very important engagement for police. And now BJP leaders, the state leadership, the highest leadership of West Bengal BJP, they have taken to the streets. They are marching ahead toward Lal Bazar with a demand to release immediately everyone who have been arrested or detained by police from this demonstration. Kishalai, so the situation is being more and more problematic every moment for police. If they would not have used such an unprecedented force, if they would not have resorted to such brutality or atrocity against the protesters today, the peaceful protesters today, then the problem could not have been raised to such a level. But now when at one hand, at many points this protest is still going on, and at other hand, the state BJP president with a protest march is marching ahead towards the Kolkata police headquarters, then how the situation will be handled by Kolkata police, that is a very big question right now.
Well, exactly, and we see even Shukanto Majumdar's rally is now being stopped by the police. So at one hand, the police now needs to tackle two abhiyans, the Lal Bazar Abhiyan and the BJP's Lal Bazar Abhiyan and Nabanno Abhiyan by Chhatra Samaj or the students. So Shukanto Majumdar is walking towards Lal Bazar and is now stopped by the police as well. There is a confrontation going on between police and Shukanto Majumdar. A confrontation between the police force and Shukanto Majumdar. BJP demands unconditional release of all students and protesters who have been arrested. That is the demand of BJP. Well, a fair demand, I believe. The police crackdown on protesters.
वो लोग तो स्टूडेंट नहीं हो सकता है। वो लोग इतना नक्कड़जनक घटना किया, आज छात्र समाज हम लोग कलुषित हो गया। वो लोग हम लोग ममता बनर्जी का काल हम लोग का फाउंडेशन डे है।